Welcome to my channel. I am Karthik Sankararaman. Today we are going to see how to solve a section of an hexagonal pyramid. The problem statement goes like this. A regular hexagonal pyramid, side of 30 mm and axis 80 mm long, is resting on one of its base on the HP with two opposite slant edges parallel to the VP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP, intersecting the axis at a point 30 mm above the base. Draw the front view, sectional top view, sectional side view and true shape of the section. This problem, it is very clearly mentioned that the solid that is going to be cut is an hexagonal, and that is hexagonal pyramid. So the true shape of the solid is hexagon, and the remaining another view of that will be a triangle, right? We will proceed further. The step number 1 is to draw the XY line. As you can see, I am taking the reference and I am drawing the XY line. I have drawn the XY line. Here, above the XY line, there is the vertical plane, and below the XY line there is the horizontal plane. This orientation is because we are solving the problem in first quadrant. So on the vertical plane, always the front view of the object will be visible. On the horizontal plane, always the top view of the object is visible. Now guys, it's our prime duty to understand the problem. So the stage number 1 goes like this. A regular hexagonal pyramid. So it is very clear that the type of solid is pyramid and its true shape will be hexagon. So it is kept on its base on the HP. So from this statement, it is clear that in stage number 1, the hexagon will be kept on its base with two slant edges parallel to VP on HP. So the true shape of the hexagon should be drawn on the top view, and the projection, that is its front view as a triangle, should be drawn on the vertical plane. This is the stage number 1. So we are going to draw that first. I have drawn a hexagon having the two slant edges parallel to VP as given in the problem statement, and the side of the hexagon is 30 mm and given the naming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The center or the apex of that is as O. Then I have taken the projections of all the points from the top view to the XY line, and I have marked the corresponding points. You can see 1 dash, 2 dash, 6 dash coming from here. Then the apex point, that is O dash, 3 dash, 5 dash and 4 dash. This apex point is given in the problem that the axis is 80 mm long, that I have taken. Now let us move towards the next important step. The next step is, it is cut by a section plane. Section plane means a cutting plane perpendicular to VP. It is a perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP. It is clearly mentioned that the plane is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Means the plane is inclined to HP. So the plane will be seen in the front view, right? Now let us see what is the position given in the problem. The position is intersecting the axis. So it is clear that it will be placed on the axis, but at a point 30 mm above the base. So we have to mark the cutting plane at a point 30 mm from the base. So let us move ahead for doing that particular step. So what I am going to do is I am going to mark a 30 mm point on the axis line. Axis line is nothing but the line which is passing through this O dash wala point. Now I'll mark a point 30 mm from the base. I have marked a point 30 mm from the base. Correspondingly, I'll give the dimensions to that. I've given the dimension as 30 mm from the base. So this is the point, and it is given in the problem that the cutting plane or the section plane is inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. So it's our prime duty is to mark that cutting plane at an angle of 45 degrees at this point. So I'll take my protractor and I'll keep it over here and I'll mark 45 degree angle. See guys, the 45 degree angle can be marked towards right hand side here, or it can be marked from like this, either right or either left. It is your own wish. You can do the problem as your own wish. But remember, this problem, mostly the basic thing we follow is we draw the cutting plane towards the right. So here also I am going to do the same procedure. I am going to draw the cutting plane towards the right. So I will take an 45 degree angle and I am going to draw a cutting plane. See guys, cutting plane is actually a axis plane, so it is should be shown as an axis. So I will show it like this. I am going to join these 2 points. Please pay attention. I am going to join these 2 points. As you can see, I have joined these 2 points. So this becomes my cutting plane, which is inclined at an angle 45 degrees. Inclined at an angle 45 degrees to the HP. So here I'll show it. I'll show the inclination. Inclined at an angle 45 degrees. As you can see guys, I have marked the points where the cutting plane cuts the slant edges as well as some points on the front view. So the first, you can see the point number 1 dash, which is O dash 1 dash slant edge of the hexagonal pyramid. It is exactly cutting. So I have marked that point as A dash. When I move further, it is cutting at O dash 2 dash, O dash 6 dash. That is all. That is a triangular faces. So I have marked B dash. Similarly, I have marked C dash on this O dash 3 dash. I have marked D dash on O dash 4 dash. Then again, I know that here O dash 5 dash is another slant edge of that triangular surface O dash 3 dash 5 dash. So I have marked the point E dash. Similarly, when I come ahead, here is O dash 6 dash. So I have marked F dash. Guys, this I have done only to maintain a proper sequence. Right now, I have to give naming to the cutting plane. So I will give the naming to the cutting plane. I will draw it like this. You can see very carefully. I am drawing it here. Same way I'll draw it over here, giving the name as S and S. Now the cutting plane is cutting the hexagonal pyramid at a distance 30 mm above the base, and the inclination is 45 degrees. So it is very clear from the figure that the base portion of the pyramid is retained and the apex portion is removed. So I will make the base very dark because it is retained, and I will not do anything to the apex portion. I'll make the base portion dark. See, I have made the base portion dark. Here also from D dash 4 dash I have to make dark. From this to here I have to make dark. It is obviously the axis line, so it is of no matter that you can make it like this or you can leave it, but generally we have to make it dark axis lines. I have done. See, this is very clear that the base portion is retained, so you can make that base portion completely dark on the top view also. You can see guys, I have made the base that is visible on the top view also completely dark. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 dash 2 dash 6 dash 3 dash 5 dash 4 dash also dark, and apex portion is removed. Now our next point is to get the cutting section in the top view. So here one point you have to very clearly remember that O dash 1 dash and O dash 4 dash is the true length of the slant edge, which is O1 and O4 in the top view. So what we are going to do, we are going to directly project the A dash downwards to get the point A. Already one projection line is drawn, so I will directly write the point A on the overlapping at the point 1. But what about D dash point? I have to draw a vertical line from D dash point. See, I am drawing a vertical line from D dash point, projection line I am going to draw. It is going to cut at the slant edge O4, the point wherever it is going to cut, that point I will name the point as point D. You can see over here I have named the point as point D. Clear? A and D I have got. Now students, you have to very well listen to the next procedure. Now I will go to the point say B dash F dash. So we will make a conclusion that O dash 2 dash there is a point B dash, O dash 6 dash there is a point F dash. O dash 2 dash and O dash 6 dash, it is not the true length of the slant edge O2 and O6, because O2 and O6 are not parallel to the XY line. So what is the general procedure is followed is that I have to draw a projection line from B dash and F dash to the slant edge, that is O dash A. I have drawn a horizontal projection line from the point B dash F dash to get a supplementary point at the true length of the slant edge O dash A dash. Then I will draw a straight vertical line downwards to get the same point on the true length of the slant edge, that is O1. See, I have drawn a straight line vertical from that supplementary point to get a point on the slant edge O1. Right now, How to get the 2 points? I'll take the compass and I'll do it this procedure like this. I'll take the point as O and I'll take this point which I have got. Please pay attention. This point as I have got. Then I will just draw a semicircle like this. That semicircle will cut the slant edge O2 at a point, O6 at a particular point. As we have concluded, O2 will be B dash and O6 will be F dash. So here I will get this point as, say, point B, and this point we can say as point F. The same procedure is followed to get the point C dash and E dash. I have got A, B, C, D, E and F. C and E, I have used the same procedure that I had followed to get the point B dash and F dash. Now to get this true shape of the section in the top view, or you can say to draw the sectional top view, we are just going to join all the points. I will join A to B, I will join B to C, I will join C to D, I will join D to E, I will join D to F, and I will join F to A. Now what I have to do is I have to make these portions also dark, like I have to make 6 and F dark, I have to make C and 3 dark, I have to make D and 4 dark, I have to make E and 5 as dark, I have to make 2 and B as dark. Because it is not being cut, it is retained. Cut portion is the apex portion. So inside this I have to show it by a hatching lines. So this will be the true shape, and this total view is called as sectional top view, and this total view is called as the front view. As you can see guys, I have projected all points from the top view to the side view and from the front view to the side view, and I have got the corresponding points, right? So according to the side view, I'll name the points. This is O double dash, this will be 5 double dash and 6 double dash, this will be 1 double dash and 4 double dash, this point will be 2 double dash and 3 double dash. Now it's clear. O double dash, 5 double dash, 6 double dash, 1 double dash, 4 double dash, 2 double dash and 3 double dash. Now our main aim is to get the sectional side view also. So to get the sectional side view, our main aim is to project all the points of the cutting plane from the front view to the side view. I'll project one by one and see how I am getting the points. I'll project first the point A dash. See guys, A dash is exactly coming on the point 1 dash. So without any double thinking, I can directly mark A dash at this particular point. So here I am getting A double dash, because the point 1 double dash is also at that point. So here A dash is coming at the 1 dash, so I am getting this particular point. Now B double dash and F double dash I have to plot. So I will project B dash F dash. Pay attention guys, I am projecting B dash F dash from the front to the side view. I have projected After projecting this line here, I have to mark B dash. See guys, B dash is a point which I am getting O to 2, correct? So here O double dash, 2 double dash is here. So I will get the point B double dash, right? Similarly, I have to get the point F double dash. F double dash is on the slant edge O6. O dash 6 dash. So O double dash 6 double dash is on this side. So I will get the point F double dash over here. Now I have to get the point C dash and E dash. Same procedure I am going to apply. I am going to draw a projection line from C dash E dash, that is front view, to the side view, and on that line I am going to mark the points. Here you can see guys, here I am getting C dash, that is on the point O dash, and 3 dash, that is O3 is a point C. You can see O dash, double dash, 3 double dash. So here I will get the point C double dash. Now I have to mark the point E double dash. E double dash is on the slant edge O dash 5 dash. Here on the top view slant edge O5. So I will get E double dash over here. Here it is a E double dash. Now to get the sectional left hand side view, I have to just join all the points. So I will join, you can see it very clearly. I am joining A double dash, B double dash. I am joining B double dash, C double dash. I will be joining now. Okay. Now I have joined A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. Now guys, I have to get the point D double dash. See here, D double dash is a point which is getting on the slant edge O dash and 4 dash. Here O double dash, 4 double dash is coming in between. Actually the axis is behind this, but we should not show the axis line. So directly I have to project this D dash point. I have to project this D dash point, and on that line exactly in middle I will get the point D double dash. Now I have to join the points and get the sectional left hand side view. The final step in this problem is to draw the true shape of the section. To draw the true shape of the section, the cutting plane which is drawn over here, I'll show it clearly. The cutting plane which we have drawn over here, this SS, this cutting plane, I have to redraw it below the XY line. I have just redrawn it. Here the cutting plane was inclined to HP at an angle 45 degrees. Now the cutting plane I have drawn is parallel to XY line but just below the XY line. Say I have drawn the cutting plane. Right now I have to next step is to mark the points. So first point is A dash. So somewhere randomly a point I will plot on the cutting plane. Suppose I have plotted a point and I have named this point as A dash. I have randomly plotted a point. Then I'll take the compass and I'll measure the distance of A dash, B dash, F dash. I have measured the distance of A dash, B dash, F dash, and I have plotted it on this particular cutting plane. I have got the point B dash, F dash. Similarly, I have to plot, I have take the point from B dash, F dash to C dash, E dash. I have taken this particular point and I have kept it from B dash, F dash, and I have marked it. I have marked a point. So this point will come C dash, E dash. Now the last point, similarly I'll get from this point, I'll take in the compass and I'll keep it on C dash, E dash, and I'll mark a point. So I have got the last point, that is D dash. Now what I have to do? I have to take the projection lines from all these points vertically downwards and the projection lines from the top view to the side view and mark the points. Listen to this step very carefully. I'll start plotting the point from A dash. See, A dash I have started. The line A dash, it is going down. Here the A dash point is coming from here. So I'll mark the point A dash over here. I have got the point A dash. But since it is a sectional true shape, I can directly write it A. I'll write A. I've got it. Now concentrate on the point B dash F dash. So this comes down. Here you can see B dash point is coming over here. So I will mark the B dash point over here and I will mark F dash point coming from the F point. Here I'll mark the F dash point. Okay, I have got the 2 points. Similarly, I will mark C dash and E dash. This point is coming over here and E point, the line is coming here. It is intersecting. So I will mark E wala point. Just mark E wala point and see I have marked E wala point. Then I have to mark C point. C point is coming over here and C point is coming down. I have marked point C. Now the last point is D. Here the last point is D. So here I am getting the point D. To get the true shape, I have to just join all the points. So I will join A to B. I will join B to C. I will join C to D. Similarly, I have to join all the points to get the true shape of the section. In this way, I have got the true shape of the section. Let me name the true shape. This is the true shape of section. This is a complete problem in front of you. Thank you all. Please do like and subscribe my channel for getting the updates on all the problems. Thank you.